Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. Today I'm going to show you to make cheesy jalapeño kebab. For this recipe you're going to need ground beef, jalapeños, and cheese. I'm using mozzarella and cheddar cheese because I'm making two different kebabs. The first step is going to season our ground beef. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Some people like to add onion, but I'm not going to do that for this recipe. Our next step is to mix the salt, pepper, and garlic powder with the ground beef. You don't have to mix it for that long, just until it's combined. I'm going to cut the end off the jalapeno, and I'm going to take out the inside so I can put cheese in it. Alright, now let me scoop it. Now we're going to stuff the jalapenos with cheese. I grab my mozzarella and put in the jalapeno. I'm going to cut off the extra and put in the next one. For these, I'm going to stuff them with cheddar cheese. Make sure you fill them all the way to the top. Now I'm going to wrap my jalapeno in my ground beef. I laid out my ground beef and I'm going to wrap it around the jalapeno. Once you're done, they should look like this. Make sure your ground beef is evenly wrapped around the jalapeno. Next step, we're going to the grill. Now we're going to cook our kebabs on medium-low heat. We're just going to let it cook, slow and low. We're going to want to make sure it cooks all the way through. While our kebabs are grilling, we're going to make a quick ketchup and mayo sauce. We're going to add the mayo. And we're going to add in our ketchup. Then we're going to mix it. While the kebabs are grilling, I'm going to start toasting my hot dog buns. Now we're going to assemble our cheesy jalapeño kebab. We're going to start with our mayo. We're going to spread the mayo on the bun. And we're going to put on our kebab. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. If I can make a cheesy jalapeno kebab, so can you. Time to eat? I'm hungry.